Hey everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. I'm your host Dr. Vaishali and today we are going to learn MCQs which are meant for UPSC exam, MPSC exam, JMFC examination and all the other entrance law examinations and which are useful for law students to bring accuracy in their knowledge. So let us begin with today's MCQs. MCQ number 1 or question number 1. Bicameralism is borrowed in Indian constitution from which country? Bicameralism means two houses in the parliament or two houses in the legislature. In India, in the legislature we have two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is called as a lower house and Rajya Sabha is called as an upper house, and this is called as bicameralism, two houses in the parliament, and this feature is borrowed in Indian constitution from the law of United Kingdom or UK. Question number 2. Fundamental duties. Okay, in Indian constitution we have fundamental duties. Every citizen is under a duty to perform his or her fundamental duties. These duties are borrowed in Indian constitution from the constitution of Russia. Okay, earlier it was called as USSR, United States of Soviet Russia, but it's no more united now, so it's Russia now. So if question is asked, your answer should be Russia. Procedure established by law. Under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, right to life and liberty is guaranteed. Okay, Article 21 provides no one shall be deprived of his right or liberty except according to procedure established by law. Okay, so there should be a procedure established by law, and this feature is borrowed in Indian constitution from the Constitution of Japan. Okay, question number 4. Directive principles of state policy. Indian constitution provides for directive principles which must be followed by state, okay, or by the government, and this feature is borrowed in Indian constitution from the Constitution of Ireland or Irish constitution. Question number 5. Federalism or federation with strong union. You all know that India is a federal country and federalism is borrowed from USA, but federation with strong center, because in India central government is more powerful than state government. In USA both the governments are equally powerful, rather federal governments are more powerful, but in India central government is strong. So we have a federation with strong center, and this feature is borrowed in Indian constitution by the Constitution of Canada or from the Canadian Constitution. So let us revise everything quickly. Bicameralism is borrowed from UK's law. Fundamental duties are borrowed from Russia. Procedure established by law, this feature is borrowed from Constitution of Japan. Directive principles are borrowed in Indian constitution from the Constitution of Ireland or Irish constitution. And federation with a strong union, this feature is borrowed from the Canadian constitution. If there is a question on federalism, then it is borrowed from US constitution. But if the question is like this, federation with strong union, then it is borrowed from Canadian constitution. That's it for the day. Stay tuned till my next lecture or next MCQs on MPSC or UPSC. Till then, goodbye and good luck.